Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Basic Blog website part 2 HTML CSS. So on our previous video we stopped at navigations. So let's start with the main container. Let's dive into the topic. Class. And for those of you who might want to ask, the class is used for styling. Had even we are had even we started coding JavaScript, we would have used the class for JavaScript also, but no. For now it's only for styling. Let's keep it going. Then we'll do main number sorry article. What is wrong with me? H2. Don't forget we started with H1 before. So here we go with H2. This cannot repeat itself on a single page. This H1 tag cannot repeat itself on a single page. So instead of putting H1 here, we put H2 and continue with H2, H3, and so on and so forth. So let's say let's close it. My first blog post. This is a this is the summary of the first post. Click to read. Then make a second article. Same thing. So we can copy this one, this first article. So let me delete this and delete this and just copy this second article. Control C and Control V. You can just put it as many as you want. Then just change the thing. Let's say this is my second blog post. This is my third blog post. So we do Control S, then over to this is how it is. For now, it doesn't make sense yet, but let's make it to make sense. Now we go back to the styling, and we'll start with the navigation. We'll start styling the navigation. So we have sorry, nav background color, background color. 555. Now, yeah. So I'm thinking about what could be the okay. I didn't close here. So Control S and check. So you can see this the navbar has been moved from this listed place to this. So now we have to space it. Have to space it. So let's go nav ul and list. Remember the list part. Margin. Let's say margin should be. Let's say margin should be one 1 px. Control S. Let's see. It does not have enough space. So let's say it should be 5. Control S back. Okay, I think I should just make it 10. Let's see. 10. Control S. Okay, this is quite better. This is quite better. But since the color doesn't match, let's say I need to go for white. Mm, or let's just leave it like that first. No, let's just make it to be white. Let's just make it to be white. Sorry about my break. Let's make it to be white. So color white, white, text decoration, decoration, none. So it does not have any decoration. Then let's move over to the main content of the. Let's see how the code is now, and that's how we make the first header. So this is the header. This is the navigation container, which is this. This is navigation here. So you can see this nav container. This is it. This place. The background color is gray. Sorry about that. So this is the background color. We can change it to anything we want to change it to. Let's say I want the background color to be um let's say I want the background color to be green. Green. Control S, save. Sorry, green. Green. Control S. And it's green. So okay, let's keep it to be green like that. Let's keep it to be green. And we move out to this main content. Yes, we've not styled this main content. So what we do now, first of all, make the container flexible, then put a margin of 20 on it. So we start by stop container container display should be flexible, which is flex. Sorry, then margin to be 20 pixels. Save. Back to code. As you can see, it has moved from this place to here. So all right, let's continue the styling. Now let's move out to the main part, the main for the articles. Okay, main styling. Sorry, main flex one, flex two, flex, then padding should be 20. save. Let's go back to the code. See, start spacing. Um, aside. So let's change this flex here to be 3 instead of 1, 3. Control S. Yep. Flex. So I'm getting it slowly. So now we are going for the header, footer. Sorry, I haven't saved this thing. Just Control S. Yeah. So let's go for the footer. Just finish the main. So now we'll go for the footer.